Hi, this is Justice with Tablet Pro. Today we're going to look at how to do some advanced work and how to add things like volume up and volume down to an artist pad. So I had a question from a Tablet Pro user, and he was asking, how do I add volume up and volume down on an artist pad instead of using a gesture like in full screen mode? Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right in. There's a couple things that you're going to want to do. You're going to want to open the layout editor, layout, edit. I'm going to pull this up and we're going to go ahead and zoom in here. I would suggest saving this, do save as on your desktop so you can find the file very easily, and you're going to double click on this one is preset paytoolsci.ini. You can find the ini file and just double click on it. It will open up inside of Notepad. Okay, inside of Notepad, you're going to see a bunch of information. Float pads, float mode, left, right, top, and bottom are side modes. Full screen, virtual keys is assist pad. Most of this is not important. Artist pad, this is the default large one, and by default it's default in the program. Artist pad medium is probably the one that you're using, and artist pad small. So here, what you're going to want to pay attention to, let's click on this volume button that I made earlier. You're going to see target information right here, and this is what you want to keep in mind. This is what you need to know. So we're going to go into presets, and over here we're going to see, alright, are we small? No. Are we medium? No. We are in the large artist pad, which is this one right here. And we're going to look for, this is target 40, it's going to be one less. That means tile 39. You can see I have already added vk underscore volume underscore up. It does not matter whether it is lower or uppercase inside of here, and this is going to give us that function that we've seen already. So volume up, volume down, and this is being displayed by keypress OSD. In order to find the virtual key codes, just type Vkcodes into Google, and this will be the first one that pops up. I'll put this link in the description. You can see here VK volume mute, browser home, media next track, media stop. You can do all sorts of different things here. You can play with virtual keys, F keys that are not on your keyword, like F20, which is quite interesting. And you can add some functionality here to Tablet Pro that's not built into the layout editor currently. If you know of a cool one here that I'm not discussing, like print screen, you can use this to open the sniping tool and snipe. You can do that with VK snapshot. But you have to turn that feature on inside of Windows. Alright, so inside of here, there's a lot of different options. Go ahead and play with it. If you find something interesting, put it in the comment section below. I think I went over everything that you need to do in order to change this. If you save the file, it may copy over. So what you want to keep in mind here is these buttons here. This is set to nothing right now. If you save it with something in there, it will replace what you have already added in the code. So this will copy over any ini file here. So just leave this blank after you've saved it in the ini file. If you have problems with that, just make sure you do it in the correct order and that you're not copying over everything. Alright, that should be it. If you guys have questions, please let me know. Put comments below. If you have a tablet and a stylus, this is a great channel for you, so please subscribe. Alright, until next time, stay creative and have a wonderful day.